Picture this. You walk onto a dealership lot, point at your dream car, and the finance manager whispers, "We can beat the 0% promo. Your credit file is flawless." You didn't win the lottery and you never gamed the system. You just mastered 7 habits so powerful that lenders compete to lend you money. All the information I'll be sharing is completely free, so I'd appreciate it if you liked the video as a thank you. Now, some of you might be tempted to click away too soon, but that would be a huge mistake. If you don't watch this video all the way to the end, you'll miss the key points that can make all the difference. So grab a coffee, settle in, and let's get started. Habit 1. Auto pay armor. Why it matters. Payment history drives 35% of every FICO score. One single 30-day late payment can tank an otherwise perfect profile by 90 points overnight. What to do? Activate full balance autopay on every card and loan, never the minimum only trap. Sync autopay to 2 days before the due date. That 48-hour buffer protects you from bank glitches. Add a free calendar alarm the morning before autopay hits. Double safety net, zero excuses. The result is missed payments disappear from your life, and you start collecting perfect payment data every 30 days. Habit 2. The 7% rule. Why it matters. Credit utilization is 30% of FICO scoring. Most gurus tell you stay under 30%. Average players follow that. Pros play at 7% or less because internal FICO testing shows the biggest scoring jump happens below 10%. What to do? Add up every credit card limit you have. Multiply by 0.07. That number is your new ceiling. Mid-month, log in and pay your balances down so your statement closes below that line. The result is your utilization ratio looks elite, even if your actual spending hasn't changed. Habit 3. Tactical limit boosts. Why it matters. Higher limits lower your utilization instantly. Asking for an increase can add $5,000 to $20,000 of fresh headroom in a 3-minute phone call. What to do? Wait 6 months after opening or last CLI. Call the back of card number, say, "I'd like a limit evaluation, no hard pull if possible." Report any raises, side hustle income, or paid off loans. They strengthen your case. The result is same spending, lower ratio, instant score bump, often within 72 hours. Habit 4. Credit mix upgrade. Why it matters. FICO awards points for showing you can manage both revolving credit and installment loans. What to do? If you only have cards, add one self-builder loan or a small credit builder car loan and automate payments. If you only have loans, open a no annual fee card and run one subscription through it monthly. The result is you signal versatility to the algorithm and pick up the easy 10% credit mix slice. Habit 5. Age protection. Why it matters. 15% of your score is length of credit history. Closing your oldest account can slash 20 years of age in one click. What to do? Never close your first credit card, even if rewards are trash. If it charges an annual fee, downgrade to a free version. The age remains intact. Open new accounts gradually, no more than one every 6 months, so your average age doesn't nosedive. The result is your file matures like a fine wine, compounding points year after year. Habit 6. Soft pull surveillance. Why it matters. 1 in 4 credit reports contains an error big enough to drop a score by 50 plus points. CFPB data. What to do? Pull all 3 reports free at annualcreditreport.com every 4 months, staggered, so you see fresh data year-round. Dispute instantly. Wrong balances, duplicate accounts, or someone else's collection. Use certified mail. Bureaus have 30 days to fix or delete. The result is you reclaim lost points that were never your fault and guard against identity theft. Habit 7. Strategic piggybacking. Why it matters. Authorized user status can inject decades of perfect history in 30 days. Legally, what to do? Choose a friend or family member with 10-year plus account age, under 10% utilization, 0 late payments. Get added, but keep your card unactivated to eliminate abuse risk for the primary holder. The result is your length of credit and utilization metrics leap forward without hard inquiries. If you learned even one new tactic, smash that like button so more people escape high-interest prison. Comment 800 Club when you complete all 7 steps. I'll reply with my favorite hidden credit perk. Subscribe for weekly wealth hacks you'll actually use. Your future self is waiting. Go raise that score. See you in the next video.